Thank you. Welcome to another awesome episode of Graphic Evolve. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you how to download any Microsoft genuine and official software for free for Mac. So yes, you can see here. This is Microsoft Imagine, official and genuine website of Microsoft, which provides free softwares for students. So yes, you need to register with the student account and you can download any of the softwares. So yes, let me show you. You have plenty of softwares of Microsoft running for Mac. So yes, you can see here you have parallel desktop for Mac Pro edition, so you can just click on download parallels and it's totally free of cost. And even you have Visual Studio for Mac, as you can see right over here. You can just download Visual Studio for Mac. So let me just give it a try, and you can find many of the software catalogs right over here in the Microsoft Imagine. So yes, you can just click on Visual Studio of Mac, and you can just hit a download button right over here. So after downloading it, you can just totally use the software, and you can just license it through here. It's official, genuine, guys, and hope so I have helped you guys, and you can give it a try. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Graphic Evolve for more awesome videos. Thank you.